Kocha mar Harambee Stars Bennie McCarthy osingo mar biro yiero jotugo mabiro miyo Kenya loch e tugo mar CHAN mar Group A e kindgi kod Zambia. Tugono kiny nogoye lap ma Kasarani chakre saa 9 mar odiechieng'. Nyaka sani Stars osechopo e quarter final to biro chuno ni mondo gilo tugo makiny eka giyud thuolo mar goyo quarter final pacho kae.
Want to make a statement by tomorrow's game winning, and so that no one can say that it was by chance or by luck or anything. It was by sheer hard work and dedication and determination from the players and the team collectively that we are where we are in the situation. So we want to cap that off by winning the group, not just qualifying for the next stages, because winning the group sends a healthy message to everybody.
I think for a great performance, I know we have the intrinsic and extrinsic factors, and fans are part of the extrinsic. So I know the 27,000 will still be there. So I think that will be super for us. There's no change in terms of morale and motivation.
Team mar Algeria odonjo e boma ma Nairobi kawuono kama gidhi rado gi Niger e tugo margi mogik mar Group C. Algeria sani ni e thuolo